Hey everybody, this is going to be the first in what we hope to be a series of videos bringing some of our awesome Basp activities to Facebook and all of you during this time that we can't meet up in person. We're going to start off pretty simply with one we've done at Shimmick before, zine making. Let's get to it. This is a zine that I made when we did this project at school last fall. It's a pretty straightforward project, just a little folding in one cut. You can also make copies pretty easily with it since it's just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, fold and hand out to your friends. You only need one sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. First, we're going to fold the paper hot dog style, making sure to line up the edges as closely as you can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the more even it is, the easier it will be to fold later. Then fold it the opposite way. And one more time in that same direction. This is going to make all the creases in the paper that will make it really easy to fold up later. Even though we're unfolding it now, those are really important to do. Then we're going to cut along the fold halfway through the sheet from the crease to the middle, right along that fold line. And then we're finally going to fold up our zine. This is the part that takes a little bit of practice. You can sort of pinch it together, fold it in half. Some of those creases are going to go the opposite way, and then fold it up, and you're all done. The best thing about a zine is that you can make it about whatever you want. How to make a zine? Birthdays, cats, restaurant reviews, music, Angry Birds, or anything else that you can dream up. Just make sure to have fun.